After coming out of the primary investigation of the Coromandal Express accident, they identify the point machine is the main reason behind this incident. So then, what is this point machine? In this video, we will guide you the railway point machine, loop line, and the accident scenario. This is Balasore railway station, and that is Bahanga Bazar railway station. Here you can see the loop line. So here two things is very important. Number one, switch and crossing. This one is point machine and this one is crossing. The point machine help to change the direction of the train, and this one is the main line, and from the main line the track change this direction, and this direction is called the loop line. So this point machine is very important. If there are any difficulties or any fault through this point machine or signal system, then this kind of accident could be happened. So friend, I will give you an example for better learning how this switch machine and crossing area works. Friends, in this scenario you can see a diesel loco and there is 3 tracks. So the loco is standing in the middle, and here the main switch point. Here the point machine change the track direction. Now the middle line is activated and the loco can easily pass. Here the Coromandal Express has arrived the Balasore railway station. Here the Wag 9 with the wagons waiting for the loop line signal. Now the loop line is activated.